Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Oppo Reno 13 Pro, launched just yesterday, comes with some amazing features this time. It has ultimate camera capabilities, a fast refresh rate quad-curve display, a solid build, IP69 dust and waterproofing, a super zoom telephoto camera, and fast wired and wireless charging, along with much more. Today, I'll share the unboxing and detailed review of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. Hey everyone, Maiky here from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Opening the lid of the box, you'll find a case, a SIM tool, and a user manual. The Reno 13 Pro phone is neatly wrapped in paper. Inside the box, there's also an 80-watt power adapter. Here it is, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. What do you think of its purple color? To me, it looks similar to the purple shade of the iPhone 12, and we also saw purple on the iPhone 14. However, compared to both, the purple color of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro looks absolutely stunning. This is the butterfly purple color, available on both the Oppo Reno 13 and 13 Pro. If you place the Reno 13 and 13 Pro side by side in reverse, they create a complete butterfly-like pattern. This color uses a special butterfly shadow lithography process. And when you change the angle of the phone, you'll notice a light and shadow effect on the butterfly design. Does this camera module look familiar to you? This camera module uses the same one-piece cold curved glass process as the iPhone 16. This means the entire camera module is made of glass with no visible cutouts. Both phones in the Reno 13 series also come with an IP69 dustproof and waterproof rating, making them more durable overall. Additionally, the Reno 13 series features nicely textured frames, and both phones have a sturdy metal frame. The Reno 13 series has moved away from plastic frames, replacing them with metal frames. Compared to plastic, metal frames are more resistant to drops and bending. This time, the frame is slightly curved towards the back, similar to the curved design of standard iPhones. Now, talking about the display. The Reno 13 standard variant features a 6.59-inch flat screen with narrow bezels. The Reno 13 Pro comes with a 6.83-inch quad-curve display with soft edges. The display on both phones has excellent bezel control, and the quad-curve display on the Pro variant looks stunning. Both the Reno 13 standard and Pro variants use the same display technology. The difference is only in the size and shape. Visually, the display offers an ultimate narrow black edge look, making the phone perfect for users who care about design. The Reno 13 is also compact in size, with a superb design and build quality, making it a great choice for style-conscious users. Now, talking about thickness and weight. The Reno 13 weighs 181 grams and is 7.24 millimeters thick. The Reno 13 Pro weighs 197 grams and is 7.6 millimeters thick. In terms of design, the Oppo Reno 13 series looks quite similar to the iPhone 16. For camera features, it includes an AI HD live photo feature, just like the iPhone. While the Reno 12 series also had a live photo feature, the Reno 13 Pro has extended the duration from 2 seconds to 3 seconds. Like the iPhone, it captures 1.5 seconds before and 1.5 seconds after the shutter press, and you can adjust it as needed. Live photos sometimes have jitter or lag and may not be well optimized, but on the Oppo Reno 13 Pro, they are much better optimized. The live photos are as smooth as videos because they use electronic image stabilization, EIS, and dynamic stream expansion technology. This ensures moving pictures are more stable and smoother with 2K clarity. The cover frame support is also available, so if the picture captured before or after the shutter press looks better than the cover frame, you can select the best frame and reset it as the cover through editing. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro also supports AI image quality enhancement, ensuring the Pro XDR effect in the picture remains unchanged. Additionally, live photos can be exported in bulk as GIFs or converted from photo to video. This phone also has 2 exclusive features that aren't even available on flagship phones. The first is the Soft Light Live Photo, which gives a hazy, feminine, and dreamy filter. You can adjust the soft light in different styles and intensities. During the shot, you can preview the live photo, and with these 3 soft light effects, you can even capture moving pictures. The second feature is the addition of 20 new frame watermarks. These effects offer various styles, like a retro camera roll, and you can freely edit the base color. You can also use icons and text. Additionally, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro includes filters from the Oppo Find X8, like CC, NC, and NH. These three photo styles are also available on the Find X8 flagship phone. For example, if you want to capture a green plant, you can use the NC filter. For a blue sky, use the CC filter, and for a sunset, the NH filter is perfect. This time, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro has seen improvements not only in its camera software, but also in the hardware. It features a 50-megapixel 3.5x telephoto zoom lens with optical image stabilization, OIS. This lens has an 85mm focal length equivalent, which is considered the golden focal length for portrait photos. In this price range, it's one of the largest telephoto cameras available. The telephoto camera can capture photos with zoom from 3.5x up to 120x. The telephoto camera also comes with several preset scenes, and AI models are used to optimize the image effects for super telephoto shots. Now, talking about AI, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro runs ColorOS 15, which is based on Android 15. This is the same OS found on Oppo's flagship Find X8 series. It also supports AI Ultra Clear Pixel and features AI Repair. So even if you don't capture the perfect shot, AI can improve your photo and convert it into a better picture. This time, the Oppo Reno 13 and 13 Pro come with the powerful Dimensity 8350 processor, which can easily handle medium to heavy games. Additionally, the phone features Oppo's self-developed X1 chip for stronger network performance. This means you'll get better network coverage in metro trains, subway areas, and even in weak network zones. In gaming scenarios, the phone uses game cloud computing and a private network to reduce network latency. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro comes with a huge 5800 mAh battery. It supports 80 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and 33 watts reverse wired charging. As for the price, the base variant starts at 3,399 Chinese yuan in China. In the UK, it costs £374, and in the USA, it is priced at $470. In my opinion, the Oppo Reno 13 series offers both software and hardware features similar to the iPhone. It has iPhone-like camera features, a compact size, and a metal frame with a glass back. The charging support is faster compared to the iPhone, and the price is more affordable. So if you're looking for a phone with an iPhone-like design at an affordable price, you should definitely consider the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. So what do you guys think about the Oppo Reno 13 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.